Welcome to Adventure One Zone, where adventure knows no bounds. This is a place where you can push yourself to new heights and embrace the unknown.
Meet Prerna. She has always been afraid of heights, but she is determined to conquer her fear with Adventure One Zone by her side. Equipped with the best instructors and cutting-edge safety equipment, she is embarking on an unforgettable journey of self-discovery. Join Prerna and face your fears head-on.
At Adventure One Zone, we offer a wide range of activities for all skill levels. From seasoned thrill seekers to first-time visitors, we've got you all covered.
For the young and young at heart, our zipline course offers a bird's-eye view of the park and a rush of adrenaline like no other. Safety is always our top priority, so you can enjoy the thrills and peace of mind, knowing you're in good hands.
For the thrill seekers, our ATV rides are perfect for seeking a wild and off-road adventure with the challenge of navigating rugged terrain. This excursion is not just about the adrenaline rush, but also about fostering camaraderie and developing teamwork skills as you tackle the obstacles together.
At Adventure One Zone, we're more than just a destination for thrill seekers. We are a place where you can challenge yourself, explore new boundaries, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Come and experience the thrill of adventure at Adventure Zone. We will be waiting for you.